Pakisabi po, hope of salvation. At ang sabi po dyan, yung helmet na yan, hope of salvation, in the Greek is the word elpis, which means the joyful and confident expectation of good. Ibig sabihin, yung hope na to, regardless of this situation, because I have the helmet of the hope of salvation, kahit ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ko, meron pa rin akong joyful and confident expectation of good. Na kahit yung anak mo ngayon ay nagre-rebelde, meron ka pa ring hope, helmet, hope of salvation, that everything will work together for good, na babalik yung anak mo makakilala sa Panginoon. Yung asawa mo makakilala sa Panginoon. Yung parents mo makakilala sa Panginoon. Tandaan natin, nothing is impossible with God. So let us have this hope of salvation, the joyful and confident expectation of good.